Hey guys, in this part we talk about list in Python, part 2. Add list items. To add an item to the end of the list, use the append method. So I create a list 1 equal to apple, banana, and cherry. And list 1 dot append orange and print list 1. Save and run. We have apple, banana, cherry, and orange. And insert items. To insert a list item at a specified index, use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. So comment this and list 1 dot insert at index 1 and the item is orange. Save and it should have apple, orange, banana, and cherry. Apple, orange, banana, and cherry. And extend list. To append elements from another list to the current list, use the extend method. So I comment this and create another list, mango and pineapple and papaya, and list 1 dot extend list 2, and we should have apple, banana, cherry, and mango, pineapple, and papaya. List 1 and list 2 and add in and and remove a specified item. The remove method removes the specified item. So write list 1 dot remove and the item is banana. Save and we should don't have banana. Right, run. Apple, cherry, mango, pineapple, and papaya, and we don't have banana. And remove a specified index. The pop method removes the specified index. So comment this and list 1 dot pop index 1, and the index 1 is banana. Save and run, and we don't have banana. And if you don't specify the index, the pop method removes the last item. So remove this and run, and we don't have papaya. Run, and we don't have papaya. And the del keyword also removes the specified index. So comment this and del keyword and list 1 and index 0, and the apple is index 0. Run. Banana, cherry, and we don't have apple. And the del keyword can also delete the list completely. So remove the index and del list 1. Save and run, and we have an error because the list 1 doesn't exist. And clear the list. The clear method empties the list. The list still remains, but it has no content. So comment this and list 1 dot clear, save and run, and the list 1 is an empty list. Loop through a list. You can loop through a list. You loop through the list items by using a for loop. So for keyword and x in list 1 and print x. Save and run. And we have items in list. And we will learn more about for loops in for loops chapter. And loop through the index numbers. You can also loop through the list items by referring to their index number. Use the range and len functions to create a suitable iterable. So for I in range of len of list and run list 1 and index I. Save, run, and what the error range of list 1, run, and we have items. And the iterable created in this example is hit the sharp and 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, we don't have 6. And using a while loop, you can loop through the list items by using a while loop. Use the len function to determine the len of the list, then start at 0 and loop your way through the list items by referring to their indexes. Remember to increase the index by 1 after each iteration. So I comment this for loop and create a variable I is 0 and while I is less than list len and print list 1 with I index. Save and run. And sorry, we should change the I variable, I plus 1. Save and run, and we have items. I is 0, print index 0 and I plus 1, and I is 1. 1 is less than 6, print list 1 and index 1 and etc.